Hey you guys, welcome back to Ruth and Ruby. It is an exciting day around here. We have been planning this for like close to 5 weeks now. So it is super exciting that it is finally the day that we get to show you the brand new holiday IOD 2023 release. I hope you're excited because this is good.
All right, you guys, the first project is going to be this book, and I'm just taking some 220 grit sandpaper and sanding the spine because I want to reduce the texture of the letters. So of course they're never going to totally go away, but I just want to make them just a little bit less visible so you don't see it when I paint it. So I'm just giving it a good sanding all over the entire book. Okay, so I just squirted on a little bit of Fusion Mineral Paint in the color Ash, and I'll be sure to link all of the products I'm using down below in the description box. Of course, you guys know you can find everything I'm using at ruthandruby.com. So this is the brand new Holly Glen transfer. You guys, I am so excited about this year's release because not only do we have one transfer, but we have three transfers, all in the 8x12 size. So they are so perfect for all of you that create a ton of smalls. So they can also, of course, be used in combination with other products, so molds and, even combining other transfers for larger projects. But I love the fact that these are so good for small projects because I know a lot of you, that's kind of all you do. You don't really do furniture. So I love these smaller pieces. Okay, so I just very carefully went all the way around the spine of the book and releasing a little bit at a time so that way I got fewer cracks. Okay, now time for embellishments. So I took these 3 ribbon pieces, cut them at 14 inches, and you see how I just looped that around. And then I'm going to just pinch it in the middle, bring it together and pinch it in the middle. That's it. Super easy. So we're going to do the same thing with all 3 ribbons and then lay them on top of each other, tie it together in the middle for twine. Super easy bow. Okay, I just took some scrap greenery from previous little picks that I had pulled apart. So this is what was left on it, and I just mixed up the 2 different kinds of greenery, and we're hot gluing it right there in the corner and going to glue the bow on top. Now, this is a heavy duty hot glue, so I do have to hold it there for a few seconds and let it dry, but this is going to hold up really well. And I felt like it needed just one more touch of red, so I picked up that little berry piece and glued it right in there. Like I just tucked it up under the greenery and glued it in there as well. Okay, so I think this might be my favorite part of this project because, just the perfection is in the little details. So adding this bronze wax, this is the bronze gilding wax by Dixie Belle Paint. And you can see here, I put this in slow motion for you because I move so fast, but you can see adding that little touch of bronze on the paper gave it just a little extra something. And so I did it all around the edge of the book, especially right there in the spine where it shifts, and it was the perfect finishing touch. Okay, what do you think about the finished project? Let me know in the comments below. I think this is such an easy project and such a cute little Christmas embellishment. It is perfect for your coffee table or sitting on a bookshelf. So many possibilities, even on a nightstand in a guest room. Such a cute little Christmas decoration that is so fun and easy to make. Okay, so this next project is really, really cute and fun. So this is a pizza peel that I got at Hobby Lobby for, 80% off or whatever. It was in the spring collection. So I'm giving it a coat of the brand new Fusion Mineral Paint in the color Woodwick, and it is a gorgeous, just taupey, grayish brown, and it's so beautiful and super neutral. So I don't know if you guys know this. You should, because I've been telling you, but browns are coming back. So this is the perfect neutral grayy brown. So this is a very good transitional color that's going to go with either or. So if you love in your grays and you're sticking with it, awesome. You can still incorporate this color. All right, this is the brand new Candy Cane Cottage transfer. So this is an 8x12 sheet. So this was the full page on that particular page, and I just put it on the pizza peel and rubbing it with my little transfer stick just like you do any other transfer. And you can see I didn't put any other top coats or anything. The Fusion Mineral Paint with that built-in top coat is phenomenal because once it's dry, you can go right in with your transfer. Okay, I have no idea where I got this ribbon, you guys. I'm sorry. So I'll see if I can find something very similar that I can link for you. But I'm pretty sure it was a Walmart clearance after Christmas last year. So I just took a few different pieces, again, pinching in the middle, tying up with my twine, making that super simple bow. I'm using the leftovers of that same greenery that I used on the book, adding another little berry and pine cone embellishment. Isn't this pizza peel so precious? Cute Christmas decor for your kitchen, or even like your hutch in your dining room. And I forgot to tell y'all that I added some Sweet Pickins oil wax to the whole thing because the candy cane situation was a little bit stark white for me. So what do you think? Tell me in the comments below. Okay, you guys are about to see a little switcheroo here, and it made Sabrina and I giggle in the editing process. So basically, I had several shapes, and I did part of them in ash, which is what you see here. What you saw me painting there was actually with the wood wick. So basically, all of these projects have been Fusion Mineral Paint in ash and wood wick. So you'll see me use that wood wick colored tag here in a few minutes. Right now I'm using the brand new Fairy Merry Christmas, and I just cut her out and put her right on that tag. And this is some of the Dollar Tree like crochet type lace, and I'm not sure where I got this other stuff, but I just cut, I think it was probably like 14 inches or so, folded it in half, and then tied the twine right there around it to make this cute little tassel. Added my beads on top, tied them down with a knot so that they would not shift, and I'm going to glue it to the back. Okay, I'm starting with hot glue because I want that quick adhesion, but I'm going in with some super glue also because I want that tassel to last a long time and not come off after it's been stored for a year. All right, so now I'm going to use one of our very classics, which is the birdsong mold, and I'm pouring resin into a few different ones because I'm not exactly sure which one I want to use. If you need a tutorial on resin, please comment down below and let me know, because I've heard that a lot of you seem to be a little bit afraid or intimidated by it. You guys, I like resin better than clay. Don't tell anybody, okay? Okay, so here is another little portion of the Candy Cane Cottage transfer. There's a full sheet of these floral little embellishments. So these are so perfect for these ornaments. And this is the Bronze Gilding Wax by Dixie Belle Paint again. And I'm going over that resin just straight. There's no paint in between. And we're putting it on there with the Stick Fast. That's what this is called. Stick Fast CA glue. And I'll link this for you down below. This is in my Amazon store, and this is an amazing glue, and it dries really, really fast.
Holiday 2023 release.
Can you help me?
Say hi to everybody.
Is this our friend?
Yeah. You showing them your schoolwork?